Welcome to our lecture on matrices. To understand matrices and to be able to work with them, we need to know the terminology. Here's a matrix in general format. Instead of numbers, we have the letter A with subscripts. What is a subscript, you might ask? A subscript are those numbers written below and to the right of another character. In matrices, subscripts are used to indicate the position of an entry. The first number in the subscript represents the row, and the second represents the column. For example, this is a sub 1, 1, meaning row 1, column 1. Here's a sub 2, 3, meaning row 2, column 3. Here's a sub 3, 2, meaning row 3, column 2. A sub 1, 3 is in the first row, third column. The first number, I, is always the row, and the second number, J, is always the column. The matrix has M rows and N columns, and dimension of the matrix is the number of rows by the number of columns. This matrix has 3 rows, so M equals 3, and 3 columns, so N equals 3. This means that our matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. As a final note, notice the numbers on the main diagonal have the same row and column numbers. Row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 3, column 3. This is called the main diagonal of the matrix. So hopefully this video helps you understand matrices, matrix terminology, matrix elements or entries, dimension of the matrix, and rows and columns of the matrix.